Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Then let's tap on date and time, which is right here. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone, so actually the time. So first of all, we have to tap on this switcher, and now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping. So something like that. And here the time, just tap on it and change it by swiping. It will be immediately set. We can also change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones, so find yours and then tap on it. Here we can also display dual clock. It's totally up to you. You can use it just by using this switcher, and basically your device will display two different clocks. The first one from the place with the time from the place you're currently in. As you can see, it corresponds with the time zone which we set right here, and the second clock is the clock of your choice, so you can select a city and then I don't know what happened, and then you can simply display two different clocks. You can also decide where you want to see it. You can also change the time of format right here, either 12-hour format or 24-hour one, totally up to you. So this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on this switcher here, which will set the time automatically. Unfortunately, the time zone must be changed manually. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.